Good morning, everybody. I'm having a tidy up and thought I would make some red fruit infused vodka. So I'm sharing this with you because it's dead easy to do. You do not need fresh red fruits, but it does help. However, I bought this for doing a special breakfast with pan perdu. That's eggy bread to you and me. And there was a little bit left in the packet, and I'm trying to get my freezer sorted out for Christmas. So it's now in the bottom of this plastic water bottle. And literally, this is all I do to make an infusion. I normally do this with sloes, but the sheep beat me to it this year. So red fruits, mixed red fruits, and vodka. So I'll just pour the vodka on top of that. But before I do so, I will add some sugar just to cover the fruits. And then I will top up with vodka, screw the lid back on, shove it in a cupboard and just turn it daily, not shaking it because that will break up the red fruit. And in a month's time, I will strain this off into a clean bottle, through a coffee filter paper. So no need to preserve because the vodka will do that for you. And this is just like making slow vodka, only it is with red fruit. And of course, you can find all my recipes in this fantastic book, which I will just flick through for you if I can. Full of recipes of how to do and a few little drawings too. So excellent for any home winemaker, cider maker, beer maker, spirit infuser, and a great gift for anyone else at Christmas. Dun, 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 dun. Thank you. Hi everyone. I'm tidying the kitchen up, and as you can see, I have a bottle full of purpley stuff, and I have a jug with a straining bag in it. Now, this is cheapy vodka, which I'm not keen on, but I have added the leftover red fruits I told you about in one of the earlier videos. We used to use it for doing eggy bread, pan perdu for the morning, but there was only a little bit left in the bag, and I put it into the vodka to infuse. Now, it smells lovely and fruity, and there was a little bit of sugar in the bottom of this, and it's time to take it off. So it is simply pouring it in through the straining bag, or you can use a beer brewing bag, or you can use a coffee filter, and none of these will matter because they won't get oxygenated because this is a spirit, so it's absolutely fine. So, bottle is empty, but we'll get a quick swoosh out with water, and then I will lift the bag from the jug and carefully pour the clear, lovely fruit-infused vodka back into the bottle, and the stuff in the bag will go into the compost heap. This is ready to drink now, guys.